Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will show you how to utilize zoom feature in CapCut. Alright, the first thing you should do is you have to import your video to CapCut, and then if you want to put zoom feature or zoom effect to your video, you have to click on effect. You have to click effects option right here and then choose video effects and look for the zoom effect. And you can search it, zoom, and then there will be several options for you, and you have to click on zoom lens. It's right here. Sorry, it's right here. Just click on it, and then you can customize the speed and range by clicking on the adjust option right here, and then choose the speed or range that you want, like this. Alright, and then after that you can click on back button and click this check mark. Alright, and then we can adjust the length like this according the duration of the video, and then let's check it together. Okay guys, that's how we can utilize zoom feature in CapCut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.